freaking you out?
It's cool.
Huh? They freaking you out?
Cracked in here though. Like all the plastic is cracked.
You're gone.
You missed. You still missed.
I'm aiming to the target.
Sounds like it's a late one. I don't like this.
How's it missing?
You're going high. There you go.
I go where you're there.
Got it low. Low. Go low. There you go. Another Christmas miracle.
Not really. Hey, you know what? When Lady farts, it can. Make sure it flies away. No, when she farts, we can like put it. That's her butt right there. Go like this. It goes the other direction. Things move. Cool. Here you go, kid.
Okay. Ow, that hurts.
Why? It's plastic.
Angie, that thing in the middle.
Thing in the middle. Well, that's plastic too.
Why am I dropping on your head?
I placed it.
Dropped it.
Is this a video?
Mhm.
Hi. Watch before your eyes. Make you like love.
And meanwhile, the dog's getting her butt cured.
Merry Christmas.
It's a Christmas miracle.
Merry Christmas.
Look at it. This. Look at it.
Ooh.
But then you flip it.
You have to be on your bed.
Edit that out.
You have to be on your bed. Nobody knows.
Why? It's a Christmas butt miracle.
No, I gave him the finger.
Oh. That's a Christmas miracle too.
Because I love him so much.
I'm not too Christmas miracle.
What are you unwrapping there, honey?
Wonderful smells. The texture isn't too bad today.
Go over there and vent out the dog.
No.
Nope.
She won't like it.